So then I'm going to take my Kroll and Bruise wheel and I'm going to take my arse. Come on, sorry. That was tight. Ooh. But if you did want to send a letter or drawing in, here is the PO box address. Oh! Whoops. That sounded vaguely expensive, didn't it? Oh, I don't have to hold it up. Huh? I look like a duck. Oh God. Oh God, the tone of this makeup has drastically changed. DuckTales, woo. And a 1, and a 2, pardon me, and a burp. Okie dokie, so for the first step of this makeup, I will give you a shiny gold penny if you can guess what the first step is going to be. Wait, what? I have never said that in my life. I think my soul just got briefly possessed by a small Victorian child. What the fuck? I want a shiny gold penny. It's a bald cap, by the way. Oh, shit. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, oh, ow. Whoa, sorry, mate. Why am I apologising? Oh, sorry. I'm usually better at handling cocks. So there we go. Now I've got a big old V on my face. For very silly goose. Goose man. Huh? It's a bird. It's a plane. No, oh, it is actually a bird. Sorry.
I mean, if I was stuck in one makeup look for the rest of my life, at least I'd look good.
Oh no. Sorry. Oh, it was 1 and it was mighty. I've never just done 1. So I'm going to be using a red Superstar face paint for this, and I'm just going to colour the entire area inside and the outside skin flap. That's never going to get any easier to say. It's just one of those makeups that can be as big or as small or as gory or as fluffy as you like, really. Then again, when is a broken nose fluffy? What? And I'm going to take my derma wax and I'm just going to rub it between my fingers until I get a snake shape. Now it does help first to coat your fingers in like a lotion, or you could use a well-known brand sexual lubricant. I mean, it works wonderfully. Going in the video. It's true though, it works. Gross, so gross. The things I do for these videos. I love them, thank you. Oh my God. Bloody hell, it's Saturday night and I have 2 cocks on my face. Okay, that's probably not going in. That's a blooper, I think. Do you see like how shocked they are? 3, 2, 1. Well, that's your cannon. You get a forehead flap, and you get a forehead flap. Everybody gets a forehead flap. It's 3 in the morning. I've got the brain scramblies and a forehead flap. Don't be jealous of my swish. So let's have a little open, shall we? As opposed to a big open. No, I'm not making rude comments. Shut up. Oh, I definitely can't put that in a video. Hey Fluffies! Welcome back to Pinkstylist Plays. Today we're continuing our playthrough of Five Nights at Freddy's Security Breach. Fluff, wrong game. You could use spirit gum, to be honest, but I find this holds a lot better, particularly if you're prone to like sweating or if you like move your face around a lot like I do. I like to express. That sounds gross. You know what I mean? Huh? Oh no, oh no, no. Uh-oh. 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 SpaghettiOs. I have tree dangling. I have 1 arm in my hand. If I let go, oh God, everything's gonna fall down. Can't, I'm trying my best not to look in the package. Uh-oh. No, the letter! Uh-oh. Hang on. Okay, crisis averted. That's fine. Oh no, no! So if you've never seen my Would You Rather... Flubber. What is that spilling Ben? Flubber. Sorry, what was I doing? Yeah. That's the ace. Oh my God. Oh, whoopsies. There. Isn't that pretty? It all just depends really on how gory and complex you want to make it. The limit is your imagination. When have I ever said that? Imagination. So then this next step is completely optional, but considering how our face is pretty ouched up, what? You know what I mean? So, okay. There we go. That was a bauble. So I finished the look off by popping in 2 sclera contact lenses. I mean, to be perfectly honest, this look doesn't really need that kind of look, but it really does make the whole look. So I finished the look off by popping in 2 sclera contact lenses, and I popped on a clown So if you'd like to learn how to do this sticky clown zombie goodness, stay tuned. Stay tuned. Until this day, I thought I'd reached maximum sticky peak. I've discovered new realms of stickiness and I don't bloody like it. It's so sticky. Ah. DuckTales, woo!